This video is a glimpse into the mentorship program I offer. You can try it out for free with a 3-day trial. Just click the link in the description. I highly recommend checking out the market direction section in the course. It will help you understand market direction on a whole new level. Take advantage of this opportunity to dive deeper into the strategy and gain clarity. My goal is to leave you with no unanswered questions. Let's get right into it. Welcome to the course. We're going to get right into it. I don't want to waste any of your time, and I want you to have clear direction. If you have any questions at all, please ask me. Finish the course first, and then if you have any questions, ask me. If you need to take notes and rewatch the videos, please do. Any feedback is appreciated. I want to keep redoing this course until it's perfect enough that when you finish this, you literally have zero questions, and this course got you the profitability. The mentorship will get you profitability guaranteed, and this course is that leg to that. So let's get into it. See these candles here? We see a swing low and a swing high, a swing low and a swing high, and it just keeps on going. These are swing lows and highs. Do you see me drawing them out? Can you spot them on the candles? I'm doing this on the 5-second chart. You can do this on any time frame you want. The strategy works on any market you want it to work on. I just highly recommend Top Step and using prop firms just because of the opportunity we have nowadays. And futures is the most reliable and consistent. Okay, so we see these swing highs and swing lows. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Simple, right? So it's literally just right here. Look, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. It's so easy. Even if I put up the line chart, you can see it. Swing high, swing low. Boom, you see a bunch of swing highs and lows. There's a lot more swing highs and lows because I'm on the 5-second time frame, but you can grasp the idea. So we see the swing highs and swing lows. What we're necessarily looking for on the chart is a sweep. So let's change the color on this real quick. Let's do red. So we see a sweep right here. Let's put a line there. We come down and sweep. That's exactly what we're looking for. So first thing is sweep. We found the sweep. After we find the sweep, we're going to create our zone. So how do we create the zone? Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. So after the sweep, we wanted to break the high. So it did. So we're create our square. And I'll make it red so it's easier to see. Okay, so we have our swing high and our swing low and the sweep. Then we want a tap on the zone. And after the tap, we want a break of structure. If you do not understand what a break of structure is, let me draw it out for you real quick. Let me do it for the downside also. A break of structure is when we break these little triangles here, the price is going up. So we swing low, swing high, swing low, and then this is the line that we're going to break. You can also say this is a sweep. Break of structure. It's a break of structure right here. So again, we come up, come down. On this line, we broke the structure again. Broke it right there. Same thing for the downside. Prices swing low, swing high, prices coming down. We broke the structure right here. And let's see if I can show you on the chart. Let's see. A good example here. Right here, look. Price is going up, down, up, down, up. Right here. Is that low? We broke the structure. Broke it. Okay. So you understand what break of structure is. So after the tap, you want the break of structure. It broke. And then we want one standard deviation. So we want the sweep, tap, and then now we want standard deviation. What is standard deviation? Standard deviation is 100% away from the zone. So that means this zone times 2, it needs to reach 100%. On this drawing, I don't think I did the best job here, but I'll just pretend. Let's pretend they're both the same size. And let's just pretend these are both the same size squares. We reach standard deviation, 100% away from the zone. So after we reach 100%, we have one last requirement. So let's go over it again. Sweep, swing high, swing low. We make that zone. We want the tap on the zone, break a structure out of the tap. Standard deviation, at least it needs to touch standard deviation. And then our last requirement, we put our order at 50% and we take our order off if one thing happens. If we get more than 2 taps, we take the order off. So if price comes into the zone and taps 1 time, 2 time, and goes 50%, that's okay. If price after standard deviation comes in 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, and then comes in there, do not take the trade. After 2 taps, you need to take the trade off and move on. It's that simple and it's that easy. Do not overcomplicate this. So where do we enter? Where do we put our stop at in our entry? We enter at 50%. We put our TP, our take profit, on the line above, and we put our stop 1 tick below. So let's show you a real life example here. Swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. There's a sweep right there. Let's mark it out for you. There's a sweep. Boom, we make our zone. We then get our tap on the zone. And did it reach 100% away from the zone? Let's find out. So let's grab the zone. Let's duplicate it. And let's see if we reach 100%. And we did. 1000% reached 100%. So let's get rid of this box here. And I have something on here that just does it for me, so I don't have to do that. It tells me it reached 100% away from the zone. So since we reached standard deviation, we now want less than 2 taps. At 3 taps, we take the order off. So we have a tap here, and this tap does not count because we not reached standard deviation yet. And by count, I mean the pass part. So obviously you need the tap and then the break of structure. Tap and break of structure. But after standard deviation, we need less than 2 taps. So we get our tap here. It got really close. Some would say this isn't a clean tap, but I just say it is. So that's 1 tap. This is not. This is too far away. This was just really close. And then, boom, we would take the trade. There's no reason why I would take this trade off. We'd enter at 50, put our stop 1 tick above, put our take profit on the white line, and it's that easy. We come and fill 50% and hit our TP. Let's see if we can see another example here. Hopefully you can spot it without having the box on there. Swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, whatever. You can see all the swings. When you see something like this, I want to look for a swing low, swing high with a clear tap. So first thing we're looking for is a sweep. I see the sweep right here. Nice sweep. I see a swing high right here with a tap. So let's mark that out. Swing high. Get the swing low right here with the tap. Then we want standard deviation, and then I would put my order right here in the middle. There's no reason why I would take my order off unless we got more than 2 taps. So 1 tap, 2 tap, I would still have my order on. But if we get 3rd tap, I'll take my order off. And we only worry about the taps after standard deviation. If price does this exactly, if price comes out and taps a bunch and then reaches standard deviation, that doesn't matter. I got my tap in my breaker structure, so I still have my order on.